So I know what you're thinking. He can't do this move, really? Is this a scam? No! Alright, for real, I've never actually done the aerial before. It's supposed to be an easier flip. However, I've never really done it before. And then a year and a half ago, I injured my groin, which for some reason, attempting like a very stretched out cartwheel irritates that spot. But you know, it's been long enough. I feel recovered. I'm gonna stand by my own standards here. And today I'm gonna attempt to learn the aerial inside the house. Ready? The timer is started. So actually to start out, I'm actually gonna remove this. And I'm gonna try to approach it from the cartwheel position. I watched a few examples. It looks like the aerial is basically just a cartwheel with no hands. I cartwheel the cleanest with my right foot down and kicking my left leg up over like this. Ah! Is that even right? Man, should I be doing it the other way? So right now, just going through the motions, I'm actually kind of getting a little confused because I cartwheel very clean with my right foot down, kicking my left leg back. And that's also how I approach my Websters, or the front like 180 Websters. But I B-twist, jumping off my left and kicking my right up, like this. And I saw on Kyle Epic's tutorials where he turned his B-twist, butterfly kick, basically the prerequisite to the B-twist, he turned that into an aerial. So what I think I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna do exactly that. I'm gonna approach this aerial like a butterfly kick at first, where I lean in and kick out and slowly dip more and more down until I slowly just throw myself down like this. Bah! Another dilemma, I have the world's worst butterfly kick. All right, because we never really learned that here. I just went straight to the B-twist. It's not that bad. Dip. Crappy butterfly kick. Dip. A little bit more. I'm gonna keep it going. Feeling my legs starting to go up. Just dip. I'm gonna not dip. I'm just gonna go down. Like BCC. Oh, was that it? I don't know. I don't know, was that it? So, butterfly. Was that it? I don't even know, was that it? Wow, so that looked crappy as heck, but I was getting upside down, and it has been 10 minutes, all right? It's not 5 minutes, bro. All right, so I'm gonna attempt to clean that up because that looked like trash. Man, like that. Calibrating your apparatus so your head fits snug. Come on, baby. Wow, I gotta straighten up my back leg. Okay, so after reviewing the footage, I've noticed my form is pretty bad. But you know what? That's okay because it's looking cool. And as long as it's gonna look cool enough, that's all that matters. Maybe we should do something like this now. Coming off this. Oh, this could get dangerous. I want to bring my other foot in too fast. Oh, let's check that out. All right, it's still looking like poo. I'm not like committing enough. What do you think about that? Maybe that's my problem. Is I don't really cartwheel this way that good. There you go. Oh, you got this, man. Oh. Literally, the world's worst form. I've got to use more of my upper body. When I come down, when I dig into the ground and I throw this leg up, I need to like scoop my arms up or something like that, just to help that momentum. All right, you know what? Let's hit this trampoline up down here. Oh man, as you guys can see, it is snowing. Ew, it's raining out. Whatever. Oh. It's embarrassing how bad I am. It looked like terrible, but it unlocked something within me. I need to be more aggressive with my lower body when it's going above my upper body. So I think I'm gonna work on more of an aggressive lower upper body by doing this active dynamic stretch. Need to be aggressive with that. Oh, I think that was the closest so far. Okay, coming in. No launch point. Oh, come on. Dude! Why? But you gotta focus. Oh, is that it? I don't know. I don't know, man. Whew. My groin's starting to be irritated again, so I'm gonna take it easy. I think I significantly improved over the course of 30 minutes or so, so I'm pretty happy about that. I know a lot of you form freaks are gonna be disappointed in my form. So yeah, I think I'm gonna work on that, try to get that better, so I can make a tutorial for you guys later. Hope some of these ideas in this video might help some of you guys struggling with this move. You know, you probably get it quicker than I did, and probably even better than I did, quicker. So, I hope that helps. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for all your positive feedback. More videos coming. I have more inside flip tutorials coming. We got other flips like front flip, cork, maybe even the wall flip. We can figure that out. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for all the positive feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace. I'll see you all in the next video.